Introducing our latest technology, ASPARA. ASPARA is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy-to-eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. It allows you to grow anywhere, anytime, anything easily without soil. Our innovative technologies include adjustable LED grow light that caters to the needs of your plants at different growth stages, automatic watering system that water your plants when needed and creates a natural water flow. Also, built-in smart sensors monitor, detect, report, and record growth conditions in the system. It comes with an ASPARA app, a community platform for support. Connect your smart grower with our app. You can monitor how your plants are doing and control different settings. In just 30 days, you can harvest your vegetables and herbs. ASPARA is a simple and easy way to eat fresh and healthy foods while bonding and sharing with others. Select from our large varieties of seed capsules. We guarantee a 100% germination rate. No matter you are a planting beginner, a master chef wannabe, someone who enjoys healthy eating, or you care so much about your family. ASPARA is what you need. Time to start a healthy lifestyle. Back it now on Kickstarter.